Imagine an island so small you can walk across it in 20 minutes, yet so beautiful it's earned the title of the Maldives of Thailand. Welcome to Koh Lipe. Tucked away in the far south of the Andaman Sea, near the Malaysian border, this tiny crescent-shaped island is home to some of the clearest turquoise waters and most vibrant coral reefs in all of Southeast Asia. If you're tired of the crowded shores of Phuket or Koh Samui, Koh Lipe is the paradise you've been searching for. In this guide, we are breaking down the perfect itinerary to help you navigate this island heaven, from its powdery white beaches to its world-class snorkeling spots. Your journey will likely begin at one of the three main beaches. First up is Paya Beach. This is the island's main hub and where most ferries and speedboats arrive. While it's the liveliest spot on the island, don't let the entry point status fool you. The sand here is like white flour and the water is impossibly clear. This is where you'll find a huge concentration of beach bars and restaurants, making it the perfect place to base yourself if you want to be in the heart of the action. Just a short walk through the center of the island brings you to Sunrise Beach. As the name suggests, this is the place to be at dawn. It's a long, sweeping stretch of sand that faces the rising sun and offers a much more laid-back, tranquil vibe than Pattaya. The water here is a stunning shade of electric blue, and on a clear day, you can see the neighboring mountainous island of Koh Adang looming in the distance. It's the perfect spot for long morning walks and quiet afternoons under a palm tree. Now, planning a trip to a remote island like Koh Lipe requires a bit of coordination, especially when it comes to speedboats and island transfers. To make your planning seamless, I've included links in the description below to the travel companies I trust for booking flights, island ferries, and the best beachfront accommodations. You'll also find links for travel insurance and activities. Using these links doesn't cost you anything extra, but it's a great way to support the channel so I can keep bringing you these travel guides. The boat tours and best resort options will be listed in the description to save you the research time. Once you've settled into the island rhythm, it's time to head to Sunset Beach. This is the smallest and most secluded of the three main beaches. It's hidden away in a quiet cove and offers a rugged bohemian feel. As evening approaches, travelers gather here with a cold drink to watch the sun dip below the horizon in a blaze of orange and pink. It's a ritual on Koh Lipe that you simply cannot miss. But the true magic of Koh Lipe lies beneath the surface. The island is part of the Tarutao National Marine Park, which means the surrounding waters are teeming with life. You don't even need a boat to start snorkeling. Just off the shore of Sunrise Beach, near the two tiny islets of Koh Kra and Koh Yusin, you can find thriving coral gardens filled with clownfish, sea anemones, and schools of colorful parrotfish. For the ultimate experience, however, you'll want to charter a long-tail boat for a day trip to the surrounding uninhabited islands. Ask your captain to take you to Koh Hin Nam, a unique island covered entirely in polished black volcanic stones. Legend says that anyone who takes a stone from the island will be cursed, so take only photos. From there, head to Jabong, where you'll find the famous soft purple and pink corals that sway in the currents. The colors here are so vivid, they almost look artificial. Finish your snorkeling adventure at Koh Rawi, where you can enjoy a white sand picnic lunch far away from any civilization. Back on the island, your evenings will undoubtedly revolve around Walking Street. This vibrant artery connects Pattaya and Sunrise beaches and comes alive after dark. It's lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and some of the best seafood barbecue joints in Thailand. Be sure to try the local Thai pancakes or a fresh catch of the day grilled right in front of you. Despite its popularity, Walking Street maintains a cozy, village-like atmosphere that makes you feel right at home. As your time on the Maldives of Thailand comes to an end, you'll realize that Koh Lipe isn't just a destination, it's a feeling of total disconnection from the hectic outside world. To help you recreate this trip, don't forget that all the specific spots, transport options, and stays I've mentioned are conveniently linked in the description below. If this itinerary helped you dream of your next escape, please give this video a like and share it with your travel buddy. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're the first to know every time I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.